Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cheap 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ANYCUBIC 14K Resin 3D Printer. The Holystone HS360S is a compact and foldable GPS drone designed for beginners and casual flyers, weighing under 249 g for easy portability and compliance-free flying. It features a 4K UHD camera with an 85 degrees field of view and adjustable tilt for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Equipped with brushless motors and 5G FPV transmission, it provides a smooth flight experience and a control range of up to 10,000 feet. Intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Smart Return Home, Waypoint Flying, and Circle Fly make it simple to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The GPS-assisted flight system ensures precise positioning and stability, even in windy conditions, while the dual battery setup delivers extended flight time. Lightweight, reliable, and beginner-friendly, the Holystone HS360S offers impressive features and performance in an affordable, travel-ready package. Number 2. Creality Resin 3D Printer. The Creality Hallet 1 Plus is a resin 3D printer boasting a 7.9-inch 4K monochrome LCD for fast, high-resolution printing across a build volume of 172 by 102 by 160 millimeters. Almost equals 6.77 times 4.0 times 6.3 in. It features dual Z linear rails for improved stability and precision in layer alignment, which helps reduce artifacts like layer shifting. The package often comes with an 11-piece model tools kit, giving you the necessary accessories, scraper, gloves, funnels, etc., to begin post-processing prints right away. With its monochrome screen, the Hallet 1 Plus allows for faster exposure times and longer screen life compared to RGB variants. This printer is well suited for hobbyists and small-scale professional users who desire detailed, clean resin prints with minimal fuss. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon M3. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max is a professional-grade resin 3D printer designed for large-format, high-precision printing. Featuring a massive 13.6-inch 7K monochrome LCD with a resolution of 6480 by 3600 pixels, it delivers exceptional detail and accuracy across a generous build volume of 11.8 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, 300 by 298 by 164 millimeters. Its matrix LED light source system ensures uniform exposure for consistent print quality, while the dual linear rails and ball screw Z-axis provide superb stability during long prints. The M3 Max supports automatic resin feeding, allowing for continuous, hands-free operation during large projects. With a print speed of up to 60 mm per hour, laser-engraved build plate for strong adhesion, and a UV blocking cover for safety, this printer is ideal for professionals and enthusiasts seeking both scale and precision. Combining intelligent features with reliable performance, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max stands out as one of the top choices for detailed, large-volume resin printing. Number 4. LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K is a robust, mid-sized resin printer that balances detail and volume, featuring a 9.3-inch monochrome 4K LCD and delivering an XY resolution of 52 m. Its build volume measures 200 by 125 by 220 millimeters, almost equals 7.9 times 4.9 times 8.7 in, giving ample room for larger models, miniatures, or multiple parts in one go. The printer uses a 405 nanometers PAR LED Matrix 2.0 light source for even exposure across the print plane, enabling maximum print speeds of up to 80 mm per hour, depending on material and settings. It supports layer thicknesses from 0.01 mm to 0.30 mm, which gives flexibility between ultrafine details and faster throughput. To maintain stability and precision over tall prints, it incorporates dual linear rails on its 22 cm Z-axis, enhancing rigidity and reducing wobble. The printer runs on Phrozen OS, features a 2.8-inch touch panel, and is compatible with Chitabox slicing software via USB connectivity. Overall, the Sonic Mighty 4K is a compelling choice for hobbyists, tabletop game modelers, and small production users who want large, detailed prints without sacrificing speed and reliability. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mighty. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K is a powerful resin 3D printer designed for users who need both high precision and a large build area. Featuring a 9.3-inch monochrome 4K LCD screen with an XY resolution of 52 it delivers exceptional detail and clarity across a generous printing volume of 7.9 by 4.9 by 8.7 inches, 200 by 125 by 220 millimeters. Its matrix LED UV light technology ensures consistent and even curing for every layer, while the dual linear rails on the 22 cm Z-axis provide excellent stability for tall and intricate prints. Capable of printing at speeds up to 80 mm per hour, it supports layer thicknesses from 0.01 mm to 0.30 mm, allowing flexibility between fast production and ultra-detailed results. Compact yet capable, the Sonic Mighty 4K is perfect for creating large models, miniatures, and tabletop figures, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists, professionals, and small studios seeking high-quality resin printing performance.